Welcome back to the Pterodactyl Joseph 5 and welcome to the premiere. So, I was going to premiere 568 today, but they didn't come, so let's do 87 instead. They will be here momentarily. I'll be back with you when they come in. And here they come. Doesn't look anything new. Clear signal on the approach driver west. It doesn't look any new to me. I don't know if there's any passengers here, because there's nobody here other than me, but other than that, that's it. I'm hoping St. Mary's will give me some luck tomorrow and tomorrow only.
Your attention, please. This is the final boarding call for via train number 87, bound for Sarnia, with stops at St. Mary's, London, Strathroy, and Wyoming, on track number 1. Thank you. Votre attention, s'il vous plaît. Dernier appel pour l'embarquement du train via numéro 87 à destination de Sarnia, qui s'arrêtera à St. Mary's, London, Strathroy et Wyoming, sur la voie numéro 1. Merci.
And there's 904 again. I don't know if they're gonna make a station stop or if they have nobody. Either load offs or nobody altogether. I didn't hear the SM call, so who knows? And it looks like they may not be stopping. Oh, they're slowing. Because I didn't hear which side for doors, so I don't know if there's I don't know if there's anybody needed today. There it is again, 904. Oh, 3348, that's new. Alright, so, well, 3048 here, that's new. But other than that, nothing else. A bus. Off they go. And I don't need their assistance for the radio anymore. Yes, it is going.
Engine 87 doors are closed and secure. Check close up, here we go.
Vacation 8. Activated.
That isn't a sound you guys heard in a few days. Yep, 3348. Other than that, nothing else to do here. Oh, the headlight is on again? That's the second time this week.
Station 8861 crossing deactivated.
Yeah, it's on again. That's the second time this week now.
Ah, that's crazy.
And we even
There's a lot of trouble with those engines.
yeah, with those 900s. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, hit the bell. See you guys next one.